Hey guys, how's it going? It is Dean from LazyLife Productions, and today I'm going to show you a non-evasive way to add those cinematic bars to your footage that is easily reversible and can be spanned over your entire project. So, without further ado, let's jump straight on into it. Alright, so we have got our footage right here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to right-click on your project folder and you're going to go to New, and you're going to go Adjustment Layer. Make it the size of your comp. What you're going to do then is put it above all of your footage and extend it out to the full duration of your project. Now, to add the cinematic bars, you're going to click on Adjustment Layer, and you're going to go over to Effects, and you're going to type in Crop, which I have done already. What you're then going to do is drag the crop onto the adjustment layer. Now, nothing's happened. What you're going to do is add the crop. So, over here at your effect controls, if you don't see this window, just go up to your windows and go down to effect controls and it will pop up for you. What you're going to do is crop it from the top and the bottom, or better yet, the top and the bottom. So just crop it to however you think the cinematicness should be, and the good thing about it is that it'll stay cropped for the entire duration of your project. Alright guys, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will be back with another video very, very soon. See you later.